evening to all. I am Nikhil Fatima from GG College, Nizamabad. Today we are going to learn about advertisements. Advertising is the business of drawing public attention to a product or service to try and convince potential customers into buying or using the product or service. It is done to boost sales. The attention drawn must be positive. So, advertisements tend to favorably stress the key points of the product. Nowadays, it is tough to go a single day without encountering advertising in all its forms. Virtually any medium can be used, which means we are likely to come across ads everywhere we go. Ads can be in the form of billboards, banner ads, and pop-up ads. These are types of online ads, or can appear in print, in newspapers, magazines, journals, etc. There are also radio and television ads. In advertising across all mediums, celebrities or known public figures may endorse or publicly show their support for a product. Using such figures helps boost the company's image, making it more recognizable to the public through their horses and celebrities. An example of a celebrity endorsement is Virat Kohli's presence in Adidas advertisements. So, to make it more recognizable to the public through their heroes and celebrities, elements of good advertising. Though advertisements come in many different forms, good ones all share the following points: attention grabbing, key features, layout structure, offer urgency. What is attention grabbing? It is nothing but using catchy music, stirring images, bold text, etc. to hook the reader or viewer or listener's attention. Without the target audience's attention, an advertisement fails. Key features. Key features ads focus on those features or characteristics of the product that the customer can benefit from. For example, an ad for a laptop should highlight the distinguishing points that set the laptop apart from the competitors. Perhaps its screen resolution or memory or processor speed is the best in the market. Now, layout or structure. Apart from radio ads, advertising is a visual form of communication. Therefore, there is a need for information to be arranged in a clean and clear layout with some structure, so that viewers can quickly process the advert and understand immediately what is being sold. Now, offer or urgency. Many ads often use the phrase "hurry, limited offer only." This is done to spur customers into buying the product as quickly as possible, as it is available on discount or may include a bonus package for a short period of time. It is an action motivator. Many ads use urgency to imply that if the customer does not act soon, they lose out on a once in a lifetime deal. And branding. Branding is the result of marketing. It is when a company's logo, slogan, or visual identity are so well recognized that they are immediately associated with that company. For example, the phrase just do it is associated with the company Nike, just as the logo of an apple with a bite bitten out of it is immediately associated with Apple Inc. products. So, this is all about advertisement. Thank you.